The following video will give you an insight into a new feature of Photoshop which is called Generative Expand. It will allow you to expand images captured by the camera, but you're unhappy about how complete that image actually was. Enjoy the video. Welcome to my latest video. And in this video we're going to explore the power of Generative Expand. What Generative Expand allows us to do with an image allows us to create additional area that was not captured by the camera. In this case, we're going to expand this model more 3/4 length. So we're going to create more of the genes. So let's start. And if we select our crop tool, we're going to expand the image to allow for the new element to appear. So what we want to see is we want to see this area that I have marked out be expanded, although the camera did not capture this detail. So we're going to send this out to the internet, and the internet is going to generate the results. We're going to get 3 results. So let's generate the image. And as you can see, we've had number 1 is quite a pleasing result. And let's look at the other 3. That's not bad either. And I think this one suits rather good. So let's go with this one. So we can effectively take this. And as you can see, what the computer's actually done is it's maintained the lighting that was used to shoot the original image. This is absolutely fantastic. It's beta, which means that it will only get better. It's now creating areas that were not captured by the camera, but effectively suit this image very well. Thank you for listening, and have a go. Have a go with some of your images. There are limitations to this system at the moment, so don't expect too much. But as you can see from this particular image, this is rather acceptable. And let's just blow it up on full screen. Just going to view this in full screen mode. And I'm just going to blow it up. And as you can see, if we examine the clothing, I mean, it is almost perfect. So once again, thank you for listening, and experiment and have fun.